Hi guys, so on this day we were in Colville in a parrot shop called Midland Parrots, and today we were going to buy two new budgies, one called Snowy and one called Cloudy. Here we were just looking at the other birds like the cockatiels, the green goblins, maybe the big parrots that can talk, and yeah, these are all the parrots in the shop, and so yeah.
Do you want to be able to handle them now?
Huh?
Do you want to be able to handle them now?
Hello. Hello.
Now you want to be able to hold it when you get home.
Yeah.
Right. What I can do, now this is your decision, not mine. What I can do is I can take a little bit extra feathers on the wings, so that instead of when you get about...
Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Hello there. Hello.
And it was the white one.
In this shop, there are lots of beautiful parrots you can see. You know, big parrots, small parrots, baby parrots. And in the pot you just saw before, just over there in that far.
Step up. And once you stepped up, you drop your other hand down. So step up. See?
Everything's done very, very slowly.
Step up. Step up. Right, slowly come to me. Put your finger out. Steady in front of him and gently push in. Talk to him.
Step up. Hi.
Now do it again.
Step up.
Just gently push in. When he's got 1 foot on, drop that hand down. Now you can use that hand, talk to him and stroke his back. Not his head first, his back. If you go, drop that one down. That's it. It's
I bet you get the bills
going
through
like
the door,
that, you
though, don't
see.
Postman finds you with the bills.
Oh, don't panic. Don't panic on it. You're only flapping to get his balance.
What's your first name?
Muhammad.
He's not on it properly, so just get further on.
Ooh.
You flap when he's got that. So.
Aw.
And what's your phone number?
You want to keep your hand up. No, that way. Relax your hand a bit. That's it. Now do it again. He's got 1 foot on. Drop the other one down there. Yeah.
This one is very friendly as well.
They're only babies. You know, if you have the wings trimmed a bit, you can, you know, like say you can go out with them doing it.
Careful.
No, don't panic. You've got
It was
to
about to
relax.
bite me.
They'll only nip. They won't hurt. It's not
Oh.
like. Don't worry. Don't.
Mama,
Okay.
the blue one I'm gonna call Cloudy and the white one
The more
Snowy.
you handle them, the better they are.
Cloudy, Snowy.
Right? But you don't want to handle them too much, otherwise they get to become a bit of a nuisance.
Okay.
Hello.
You're speaking there. What's that a kiss? Kiss, hello.
Look how big this is. Oh my god, I saw these on the Google reviews. They bite a bit.
You see, that's why we don't like people taking photographs.
Awesome.
You know, they go on Facebook.
Oh, hi.
All of a sudden, they go, oh,
Ma, this is a big.
What's the matter? What? Speak. What do you want me to say? Are you dancing? Speak. Right. So what else can you say then? That's it.
You are being done.
You. Right, we're going back in. Come on then, put the wings down. Wings down. That's not down. That's it.
His wings look beautiful.
Jump up there then. Put your feet in the door. You just have to, as long as you don't go on Facebook or anything.
Daddy,
Let them down. Look at the mess you made of your body. Look at the mess you made of your body. Look. What have I told you about pulling these feathers? What have I told you about these feathers? Don't do it.
Oh! So Lexi. Wings.
Oi. Come back in. Go down there.
Oh, Daddy, this is shrieking. This is shrieking at me. Look, I said hi.
He doesn't like anybody. He bites everybody.
You guys don't know. He's shrieking at me.
Finally experiencing the outside.
I'm telling you guys, outside is so good. Okay, so we have bought the birds, Snowy and Cloudy, and we are sitting in the car and we are ready to go home and raise them as our actual pets. Yep, Snowy and Cloudy are relaxing, and this is the end of the video. Snowy and Cloudy are doing well, and I hope you guys are also doing well, so bye!